Hey, welcome to Captain Lockpick. My name is Brian, and today we're going to be going over Lishi basic techniques. I've already made a video on the preparation that goes into getting your lock ready to slide your Lishi tool in and pick it. You don't want to just shove your tool in there and start picking it. There's a little preparation that you want to do, which will make the lock much easier to pick, much easier to decode, and also it will put less wear and tear on your tool. So go ahead and make sure you click that video right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into some of the Lishi tool basics and kind of how the tool works. Okay, so the Lishi tool that I'm going to be demonstrating with today is called the HU66. This Lishi tool is primarily used with Audi and Volkswagen. It is a sidewinder, high security, also called sometimes. It can be kind of intimidating thinking that these high security locks are going to be harder to pick or harder to learn with the Lishi tool. In many cases, they're honestly a lot easier for me personally. I think that it doesn't really make a difference. But let's go ahead and move the camera over here and I will go ahead and start showing you guys how to use this tool. Okay, so first things first, this right here is a great tool to use if you are learning how to use a Lishi tool. It's basically a vise that has been designed to clamp in and hold a lock cylinder or like an ignition cylinder, which you can just slide right in. It's kind of got these nice grooves that fit really well. Now, I picked this up from UHS Hardware. It's a fantastic tool. I'm so happy I got it. I highly recommend getting one yourself. I'll leave a link in the description of where you can get your own. Okay, so this lock has already been prepped and it is ready to be picked with the Lishi tool. Again, I made a video already showing how to prep your lock for proper Lishi picking. Make sure you slide these tabs all the way back so they don't break off when you're pushing them in. We're going to slide this into our HU66 keyway. Maybe here. There we go. Make sure you push it all the way back. Now the way this tool works is you want to make sure you apply light tension right here. I know a lot of beginners, they tend to put too much tension on the tab right here. And in most cases, that's not what you want to do. In some cases, you do want to do that, but that's for more advanced Lishi picking. And I will eventually talk about that in one of my videos. And then these tabs right here, you use them to go along the spaces. This one goes by twos. Every Lishi tool is different. Sometimes the first space will be on the bottom, the second one will be on the top, the third will be on the bottom, the fourth on top. In this case, it goes by twos, so 1 and 2 are on the bottom, 3 and 4 are on the top, 5 and 6, and then 8 and 7. So we're going to go through and we're going to feel each space. And we're looking for stiffness. This one is bouncy, so it is not ready to be picked. Moving on to 2, that one is not ready either. Number 5 feels stiff, we'll pick that one. Number 6, let's check that. That one is bouncy, it's not ready. Let's go to the top here. 3 feels a little bouncy, we'll wait on that one. 4 is bouncy. 7 is stiff. If it's stiff, it's ready to be picked. 8 is stiff. Don't think I quite picked that enough. There we go. Let's go back to 7. I think I lost that one. So those are both bouncy, good to go. Let's move back down to 1. 2 is good. 5 is ready to be picked. That one's bouncy, it's good. Let's check 6. 6 is good. 3 is bouncy. 4 is bouncy. Let's make sure we didn't lose 7 or 8. 7's good. 8's good. Come back down to the bottom. 1 is good. 2 was the last one that needed to be picked. So just like that, you've picked the lock. It's pretty simple. Those are the basics. Different locks require different techniques, and I will be going over those in my other videos in the future. So I hope this helped you guys out. Thanks for watching my video on some of the basics to picking a lock with the Lishi tool. I'm going to keep making these videos. They're going to get a little bit more and more advanced. My advice to you is try to get one of these vices right here. Like I said, I got mine off uhs-hardware.com. It really made it easy for practicing my Lishi skills on a bench or, a desk or a tool bench, whatever you want to call it, but it made practicing a lot easier. So definitely get yourself one of those if you don't have one already. But otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and I appreciate you watching.